Gold prices are moving sideways to slightly higher on Tuesday. Hello, I'm Joe Deaux reporting from New York. My guest today is independent metals trader Matt Hoverman, who's at the New York Mercantile Exchange right now. Hi, Matt.
Hey, how are you?
Matt, I'm hearing that prices are relatively flat because traders are content with watching until Friday for that March jobs report. Is that right?
Yeah, there's been some pretty lackluster news coming out for gold. Nothing really strong to move the market this week until Friday. So I think everybody's just sort of waiting to see that number at 8:30 on Friday morning.
Yeah, so it just seems like traders are saying, okay, sure, there's other information coming out this week, but really the only thing that's going to drive this market one way or the other is that March report.
Yeah, I mean, we had some overnight news from China. The PMI was lower, so that sort of was an impetus for gold to drift a little bit low overnight. Also, Angela Merkel and Vladimir Putin had a conversation, I believe, where he decided that he was going to pull some troops back from the Ukrainian border, which took a little bit of that, a little more of that bearish news for gold. But the market's not really moving either way. Volatility is relatively low. Everybody's just sort of waiting to see what happens on Friday.
Then do you think we'll continue to see the gold price go lower as we've seen the past couple of weeks?
We do go a little bit lower. I see that 1265, 66 area would be it's a big Fibonacci number for a 62% retracement for this entire move.
Yeah.
I think we'll probably get down to that this week before the number, but depending on how the jobs number comes out, that could be the impetus we need to move us, to sort of give gold the kick it needs to move in either direction.
Right.
I think we're all waiting to see that.
Well, gold traders across the pond are likely going to be looking at the ECB monetary policy announcement out on Thursday. Do you think that might fuel some rise or fall in the yellow metal?
We'll definitely see some ripple effects in early morning trading when that comes out. But like I said, I think that the U.S. domestic policy will probably be the real impetus for movement for gold.
All right, Matt. Well, we'll leave it there. Thanks to independent metals trader Matt Hoverman for TheStreet in New York. I'm Joe Deaux.